So in the last lecture, we have built our own skills and they are extremely powerful, but we can make them even better. So in this lecture, we will enhance our existing skills with smarter logics, and also we will add third-party skills from the community. So here in new component skill, we can still add a few context awareness. See, we already discussed in previous video that why adding skills in project is extremely important. But again, I am telling you that if we talk about this particular skill, that is our new component skill, then this skill will help every time when we are creating new component. If we have created a skill, then we don't need to again and again write the long prompts that this XY component must be in TypeScript, must follow this color and this font family, and must handle the loading, and component length should not be very long, etc. and etc. See, if we have skills, then we don't need to write down long prompts every time. So writing down long prompts every time, it's better to use skills in your project. So here we can add something like, let's say, check existing components first and avoid duplicates. It simply means that before creating any new component, I'm just telling this skill that firstly check the components. If the similar name exists, then avoid the duplicacy. Just save this file, and that's how you can add number of requirements according to your requirement, according to your project requirement. So that's the way you can enhance your existing skills. So here you can also see that I have added a new skill, which is a code review skill. In the last video, we have created these 4 skills for new component, for new screen, for adding new hook, and for Supabase migration. We have added these 4 skills in the last video, but I also added one more skill for the code review, and this skill will provide the result with a proper output format. And this is the format. It will provide the file name. It also provide the critical warnings and the messages, also provide the issue list and what would be the fix of that particular issue, and it end up with a summary with total number of issues and the top priority fix. It will tell you everything. So this is the output format for this code review skill. So after reviewing the code, after reviewing the component, after reviewing any screen, this skill will give you this output. This skill will tell you the priority, that which part need fix. So these are the local skills and their enhancements that you can do anytime. But we can also add third-party skills. So these third-party skills are basically community skills. Let's go to the website. So this is the website skills.sh. This is community skills. Other developers, share these skills for the common task. Now let's check this website. So these are the agents. See, whatever agent you are right now using, you can pick that one. You can use, if you are using Visual Studio Code, then you can select that one. If you are using Claude Code, or if you are using Codex, then you can select those agents. For example, I am using Claude Code, so I am selecting Claude Code. And here are the skills. See, if you want agent workflow kind of skills, then you can select here. There is also front-end related skills and Next.js skills are there. So if you click here, so under front-end and React skills, you can see the list of these skills. So you can choose according to your requirement. So these are the topics. There are 6 skills regarding front-end. There are 7 skills regarding this. There are also design and UI skills. There are mobile related skills also there. So you can directly install these skills according to your project requirement. And the process is very simple. You can install and configure these third-party skills the same way as we did in custom skills. And later we will add them to our Claude folder skill directory. This is our Claude folder and this is the skill directory where that newly added or newly installed skill we can see. So here you can also search skills. For example, I am here searching Expo deployment skill, because this skill is actually really useful in Expo project. Just click this. So this is the installation way, and this skill will automate your Expo app deployment in iOS platform and in Android platform. So just copy this installation step and go back to your IDE, and here we can just paste this and enter. Select your agent here. Here Claude asks that you want to install in this project or you want to install globally. So right now I install this skill only in this project. Proceed with installation. Yes, done. And here you can say Expo deployment skill. This is the third party skill that we installed just right now. And this is the skill. You can check the name, you can check the description, you can also check whatever steps mentioned here. So this is basically the skill which is shared by the community developers. And that's how you can add any third party skills inside your project. And that's the complete workflow. So let me recap what we have built across these lectures. Say we started with /init and a well-crafted CLAUDE.md that gave Claude full context about our project. Then we used plan mode to architect before coding. After that, we learned the built-in tools and extended Claude with MCP servers for Supabase. Because I am using Supabase in this project, so I connect Supabase MCP server here. Then we understood sub-agents and we built a custom sub-agent for mobile UX reviewer. We named this sub-agent this mobile UX reviewer for our mobile application. And then we learn to write prompts that activate Claude's full power. And finally, we encoded everything into reusable skills. And we invoke these skills using / commands. In the last lecture, we invoked these skills using / command. So this is the complete framework you can apply to any project, and that's how you can build premium application with AI. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, then do subscribe for more related content, and if you have any doubt related to the video, then do comment. So happy coding and bye-bye.